are listening to Encrypted Codes series.
And another thing to think of is that if the heated water is coming out from the oven, the indication is that the water is either boiling or overflowing because of the heat. Then it can be also then there's a specific type of water, some form of heavier water that has burning qualities to it, and it's coming out of the crevices like lava. It can be a hot spring water that we have them in South America and certain African regions. And now, if you pay close attention to the details, these waters, if came from the heavens, might have contained certain minerals and also might contain a form of matter fused in it. The matter from the other dimension that physical matter interacts with. That matter interacted with the matter from the other dimension or other dimensions that are overlapping our dimensions and have been interacting with the Earth's atmosphere. So the matter that exists in other dimensions got intermingled, kind of entangled, and a portal opened up, and all this specific kind of water mixed with asteroids, meteoroids, the water started descending upon the Earth's atmosphere, came right through the atmosphere and started pelting every single thing that existed on the planet at that time. And then the water from beneath the Earth started ascending through the crevices, through any portals. It says oven, and oven looks like a wormhole opening or like a cave, right? Started coming out of there as well. So the waters were coming from above and below. As above, so below. So if it's as above, so below, anything that's coming from the sky, it's going to be heated. When meteorites, they are coming from the deep space, they gain momentum, and when they enter Earth's atmosphere, because of the friction and the atmospheric layers, the natural protection of Earth's skies,
They come raging down and they hit the Earth. Imagine millions and millions and millions of them mixed with other form of heavy water droplets raging through the atmosphere, going past all of the protective layers, because there might have been a wormhole that opened above the Earth's atmosphere and also from below. So anything that was coming from above came from below. And we know that Earth's core has solid matter existing inside it and also liquid. And that liquid can be lava-like waters. They came rushing out and started boiling each and everything that existed right there and then. Somehow, Noah's Ark, the way it was built, and from the elements and materials it was built,
survived. More on that in the next episode. Stay tuned.